Hello everybody, welcome to this platform. Let's provide solution. Then the first thing here is to copy what we have, 5 power a plus 5 power a plus 5 power a equals 60. And we simply say here we shall factorize 5 power a to get 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 60. Okay, then 5 power a equals 3, which equals to 60. 10 times 3 equals 60. Here we shall divide 3 and divide 3 to get 5 power a equals 60 divided by 3 equals 20. Then here we shall apply logarithm on both sides. Logarithm of 5 power a equals logarithm of 20. Okay, then a logarithm of 5 equals logarithm of 5 times a 4. Right, then here a logarithm of a 5 equals logarithm of a 5, then plus logarithm of a 4. We shall divide logarithm of 5 on both sides, and here logarithm of 5 over logarithm of a 5. Then simplify. A equals a 1 plus logarithm of a 4 to the base 5. This is an answer, the value of a. But here we have to check if our answer is correct. We have given 5 to the power a, then plus 5 to the power a plus 5 to the power a equals 60. Then here we shall get 5 power 1 plus logarithm of 4 to the base 5, then plus 5 power 1 plus logarithm of 4 to the base 5, then plus 5 power 1 plus logarithm of a 4 to the base 5 equals 60. Then here this is equals 5 power 1 times a 5 power logarithm of a 4 to the base 5. Then here plus 5 power 1 times 5 power logarithm of 4 to the base 5 plus 5 power 1 times 5 power logarithm of 4 to the base 5 equals 60. Okay, then here we shall get a 5 times 4, then plus 5 times a 4, and here plus 5 times a 4 equals 60. Here we get 20 plus 20 plus 20 equals 60. Then here we get 60, which equals to a 60. Then left hand side equals to right hand side. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, share and subscribe.